Hey everybody, it's Darcy Redditt with Redditt Foodservice Solutions. And right now everybody is smack dab in the middle of this COVID-19 stay-at-home mandates, and that is kind of putting everybody into a whole new reality. And what I'm talking about is no FACs, no girls' night outs, no 2-for-1 happy hours. I think you get where I'm going with this. A lot of us, including my girlfriends and I, are socializing via virtual get-togethers. And with that in mind, I'm going to make some frozen margaritas using the Waring TORQ 2.0 for my Zoom happy hour later this evening. I sort of consider the TORQ Waring's forgotten blender. It seems like everybody's familiar with their workhorses, the CB15 and the MX series. They're also familiar with the light duty but super price conscious BB155s. But if a restaurant or bar is doing about 50 to 70-ish frozen drinks a day, and they're sort of in that medium to heavy duty tweener range, the TORQ 2.0 might be just the blender they're looking for. The TORQ features a 2 horsepower motor. It comes standard with a 48-ounce co-polyester unbreakable BPA-free jar, which is stackable, so it saves on space when it's not in use. You can also get it with a 64-ounce co-polyester jar, or a 48 or 64-ounce stainless steel jar. And all the jars feature a stainless steel heavy-duty user replaceable drive coupling, which is nice because that's a wear part, so it wouldn't be covered under warranty. Speaking of warranties, the TORQ 2.0 is covered under a 2-year limited warranty. So it might not be super relevant for this exact situation since technically I'm drinking alone, but for a busy bar or restaurant, this blender can blend 3 16-ounce frozen margaritas in just 8 seconds or less. So let's make that happen. Okay, so I filled our blender with 26 ounces of mix and 10 ounces of tequila, and then filled it up to the fill line with ice, and we're gonna blend. So as you can see, it does a terrific job in just 8 seconds. An operator can get into this blender for about 270 bucks, so it's a great blender for the price. And best of all, the TORQ and all of Waring's other blenders are made in the USA. Cheers!